He say gunshot a fire. Them say a gun did a try go in a stadium while it sitting go on. And them say, not them, a one man say Aisha shh. Rest at one side first. Me could deal with the facts. Them that say security for popcorn. Me just say wait me hear you know. Me not tell you say I saw it going on. Security for popcorn did a for go in at the venue with popcorn. And security for popcorn have gun. No gun allowed in the venue, so security for popcorn can't go in at the venue. Delay for 3 hours. That's how me hears it. It's all logical. It's all like a man say bad this, oh man a bad this, man a police, man a this, a man a that, a man a retire police, a man a inspector police, a man a go round police, a man a all kind of thing. We're top class in the nation, so my gun have to go in. I did see a shooting up at thing, and mostly that's why. Message for popcorn, for chronicler, for scatterbarrel. Yeah, I did see one of that, and maybe the spirits them did mar out the gun there for that same reason. Because even a popcorn, me make sure I record this. Remember say them kill friend dead up at your place, you know. Alright, we get a quietness there so now. We get a quietness. I don't know if a gunshot if a what, but everybody know enough people know. Say, friend, one of them friend them dead in a house in own. Yeah, unruly. Go and unrule. Go and unrule it and get a message for popcorn.